Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view the Aurora Borealis in Heartopia. So I don't know if it's going to appear again sometime later on this week, but they did make an announcement that it is coming up. Well, it is on right now. So if you're on the C server, SEA, here if you open your watch, you'll see that there is the Aurora weather, but you can't really see it here because they just announced it. I don't think they put it in like the watch, but you're going to go to the Onsen Mountain, and if you kind of like go up here, like move your camera up here, you'll see the beautiful Aurora Borealis. I hope they have it until like midnight because I think it will look prettier when it is darker. But yeah, just join Heartopia now. You can record some fun videos. I don't know if there is a Doris for this weather event specifically. I would have to go and check that again, but yeah, this is where it's at, the usual place at Onsen Mountain. So if you want to view the beautiful Aurora Borealis, let me get a better view up here. Hop on to Heartopia now. I know I made this announcement a little bit late, but it's still here, so yeah. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!